sa gambling, sa basta mag-digo legit, total kayo mga mayaman naman masyado, o di sige. Pero mag-you go legit, then they mag-sugar tayo, but give me the money because I have to help. Buti kayo dyan, milyon kayo eh. Eh dito, you know, lasto-lasto lang yan. Yan ang problema ko ngayon. Tulungan ninyo ako. Kasi pag hindi, alam naman ninyo, martial law, then I have to authorize the military just to arrest them, detain you for that. And it would not be good for our people. And they would go into a trauma. Because how long would it take? I don't know. It could be 20 days. It could last for 1 year. Who says that I have to explain to the Congress and I have to explain to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court, at the behest of any citizen, can inquire into the factual basis of martial law. Kung makita ng mga judges yung briefer for the days, there's so many violence in Mindanao, they will be swayed. Or may option ako, I can go to Congress, I can report there after 60 days. And na pag ayaw ng Supreme Court, pumayad ang Congress, o ayaw ng Congress, pumayad ang Supreme Court, I have two choices. Yan lang ang mabuti rin. But if the two will agree na hindi, then I will ask them, okay, you run the whole show if you can and solve the problem. Mahirap naman sabihin mo, pa-open ninyo ako dito ang pagka-presidente, gawin ninyo kung inutil. O di kayo na lang. But somebody has to act on the problem with dedication and seriousness. We have to protect our nation. It is high time that you decide whether we exist with one nation or there will be a breakage in our society and our lives. But government, ako, is mandated to preserve the Filipino people and the Philippine territory. So, gera talaga yan. Pag umabot ng ganon, then I'll be forced to use the sea, land, and air forces. And I have plenty because nagdating yung mga jets na in order ng gobyerno. Kaya ang trabaho ng mga sundalo, talagang gulo naman. I do not say that they did enjoy it, but give them to flex their muscles and do the job for the nation. Kasi tayo, kayong mga mayors, ako, pati sila, pareho lang oath of office natin. Now remember, I am not declaring anything here. Except to ask you, may police kayo. Use it to the hill. Huwag ninyong protektahan ang badurugista. Walang mangyari sa inyo niya. Mag-away lang tayo, I will deprive you of the police. Kukunin ko yung supervision at authority ninyo over the police and I will just ask the military to go in and impose order. With orders to shoot anybody who defies the law with violence. That, hanggang dyan, barilin mo. Patayin mo kung sino yung lumaban using violence against government. That would include you. Ibig sabihin, kasali tayo dito lahat. But ang problema kasi, ang martial law, the military and the police would be higher than you already in terms of authority at lahat. Ayaw kong gawin yan. Ayaw kong gawin. Kahit tulungan ninyo ako, gamitin ninyo ang pulis. Total nandyan yan. They are just there. Use them. Kung sila ang mapasubo sa order mo, you just tell me the truth. Do not lie to me. Pag sinabi mo, Mayor, nangyari ito, that is pursuant or in obedience to my orders as city or municipal mayors, fine. I will support you. Magkakaso-kaso ka sa ombudsman. But ako ang magsabi sa ombudsman, I will include in my affidavit na I have specifically ordered the mayors and the governors to use necessary force. Necessary. And to kill if demanded under the circumstances. Okay, sa mga pulis, huwag kayo magtakot na ano. Yung kaso nandyan lang yan. Lahat tayo may kaso na by this time sa ombudsman. Pero I cannot sit here as president or preside over the affairs of the nation as an inutil. Mas mabuti pa, mamatay na lang ako, barilin yan lang ninyo ako paglabas ko nga. That could be more honorable for me to die rather than to sit and preside over a deteriorating country. I will not countenance it. My God, patayin lang ninyo ko. I will not allow that kind of shit in me. Namarabag maaga, makita niyo imong mga anak gapinal na kamatayon. Mahirap yan. Mahirap yan. So either I say, hindi ko kaya si Governor Piñol. Si Secretary Piñol. Nandyan ka pala. And he's doing well. Ano? I have to go to China, I have to go to Russia, I have to talk to people. O ngayon, I got a 10 billion para sa ating bayan from China. Initially, ang 4 niyan sa gobyerno direkta, ang 6 pahiram, pang investments. Paski sabihin nila total, pagpahiram sa Manila, pareho mo rin lahat, pagpahiram ng pera, pero magpili ka sa kanila. Ang laro niyan, ang presyo. Binibili mo. Kung magkano rin. But sila, yung usually ang grant, maliit lang kita nila. Siya pabilihan ka talaga, pero may construction, you have to import steel. Well, what you have is the money you get by way of a grant or ibabayad mo rin yan sa kanila, sa mga negosyante nila. Ang sa China naman, negosyo, kontrolado ang tanang korporasyon ila po. But if they want to be liberal about it, binigay siya na form of a grant. Payable in 30 years, renewable in another 30 years, that's 60 years, that's a lifetime. Balibigay na yan. Yung lahat ng armas, ibibigay nila, mga grants, so bigay na yan. Hindi tayo nagbayad. Sa ibang countries, bayad tayo. No way na. So yan ang, baka sabihin ninyo talagang gratis yan, gratis. Gratis na bigay, kaibigan, utang kaibigan yan. Kung makabayad ka, okay. Kung hindi, okay lang rin. Pero huwag mga kong tirahin. Kaibigan tayo. Yan lang. Huwag ka lang sumali doon sa iba na pagtutulungan ninyo ako. Pero let me, nandiyan maybe I have failed to report to the Moro. Na noon sa bilateral, noon kami, si John Anyo, si Secretary Lorenzana. Sinabi ko, I have come here as a friend. I want to shake your hand. I want friendship. And of course, kaya ako nandito kasi prangkahan ko lang kayo, kailangan ko ng tulong ninyo. So I really feel that I made the correct decision. Sabi ni President Xi Jinping, it has been a long winter. Springtime is here. I embrace you as a brother. Usap na kaagad. yung the other day, yung Secretary of Minister of Commerce, Secretary of Commerce dito sa atin, pumunta. Sabi nila ito na. So, they're releasing the funds. Yung pinag-usapan natin doon, okay na sila. Yung sa arms, sabi nila, well, dali na, kunin na ninyo. Kung may ibigay sila na maraming armas, di tanggapin ko. Bigyan ko mo ng maraming kanyon, bigyan ko tag-isang kanyon, iuwi ninyo. Buka lang kayo ng trailer, bukat yan eh. Inyo na yan. Sobra-sobra ibigay. But really ay Pilipino naman tayo lahat. Almost all of us here are Moro in this room. When can I really be sure na tutulong kayo sa gobyerno? O if not, do not cuddle the enemy. Huwag ninyong ilagay ninyo sa... Kasi mapapasubo ako sa lubungin kita. Ayaw ko yan. Kasi mahirap yan. Ilagay mo na ang syudad mo, probinsya mo sa in a very shaky. Ngayon kung mapipilitan ako martial law, then you cuddle drugs and terrorists, I'll be forced to arrest you. Sayang ang pagkakaibigan natin dito sa... Because sabi ko, I will not sit here as an inutil president. That cannot be. Mahirap yan. Mahirap yan. Either I will step aside. Bakit ako mamilit kung hindi ko kaya? Tutulungan ninyo ako because I said we are raising the bar higher and higher every day. Ako naman, my advice to you, take advantage of your power. All you have to do is just to tell us where they are. Kung hindi mo kaya, papasok ang tropa ng gobyerno. Ganun lang yan. Wala talagang mga baryo natin malaman. Doktor, binaril. I don't know if it's sabi nila, babae, I do not be offended, ladies and gentlemen. I don't miss. Sabi lang ng mga, if it's an intriga, then intriga. But nothing seems to be working here. We cannot function because of violence. Magdaan lang dyan, last week, matulog sa iyo, isang, di ba, kutsi, isang pamilya na Maranao, pagdaan na, traveling around the highway, ano ba na? Binuang nangyayari, kinuod lang. Binuang na. Eskwelahan, tapunan mo. Sabihin mo sa mga putang ina yan, magkagulo talaga tayo dito. Sino mga gusto ng ganun? Ngayong kahaka na sa Manila na mag-declare ng mahayaan mo yan, iba yan sila. Just inggit lang yan. Ito yung mga kaso-kaso. Ako, talagang ready ako papasok sa prison. Because I really ordered the military to destroy them sa drug war. I cannot destroy if there is no destroying, if there is no killing. Ba't hindi ko ipapasubo yung sundalo pati pulis sa utos ko? Ako mismo. I can rot in prison, in jail for the rest of